go to the edit section and hit preferences, and then onto the add-on tab, search for simply carve, and just turn this add-on on, and then just select any 3D model that you have. Hit Control Shift X to get this menu, and now as you can see, if I do this, I can just cut an object. So as you can see, there are some small menus over there. I really don't know what the other options do, but yeah, you can just simply do this. There's a bevel level update and stuff like that. You can just play around with it. And yes, it does support backface culling, like the entire object is properly cut, so you can just use it for Unity Hue. If you hit space, we can switch between the type of cutting mask that you get. So if I were to select the line, as you can see, like this, sorry about that, you can just use your mouse to point out the cut areas like this, then hit space to cut it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, just mind the dog outside, I'm really sorry about that. But anyway, so yeah, basically this is what it looks like. Let me just show you. Oh my god, what the heck. Okay, it's 3 a.m, just ignore them, I guess. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We're going to edit mode and show it to you even properly. Control Shift X and you get this menu again, rectangle. You can cut things, it makes really smooth cuts. So yeah, you can nearly shape anything now. You can just make really cool cuts and just make your game look a little bit better, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm really tired right now. So yeah, that's the fucking tutorial. I'm gonna get on with it. I'm just gonna sleep now.